So hello everyone. There had been a problem. A technical issue was there, so I couldn't come live for the session. Right. So I can see that some people are there. Hello Vishal. Hello Pranav. Hello Nilay. Sorry for the delay, guys. There was a technical issue, so I couldn't come on time. So we will start our GATE General Aptitude series. So today is the PYQs on General Aptitude part 2, right? PYQs on General Aptitude part 2 that we will be having it today. So I won't make further delays. We'll start with the class. So today is the part 2 of the class. Let's begin with our first question, right? So this is the first question. Find the area bounded by the lines 3x plus 2y equals 14, 2x minus 3y equals 5 in the first quadrant. Okay, find the area bounded by the lines 3x plus 2y is equal to 14, okay, and 2x minus 3y equals 5. Okay, find the area bounded by the lines 3x plus 2y equals 14 and 2x minus 3y equals 5. So tell me what is the area of this in this four options. So take your waiting time of 1 minute and give me the right option. So see the area properly, and the area you have to give is the shaded lines here. Okay, the shaded lines which is present in this whole column, that is OCEBF, this whole column, the shaded lines, uska area aapko dena hai. You have to present the area of this shaded column using these two lines. Okay, 3x minus 2y equals 14. Okay, so this is again 14 and 2x minus 3y equals 5. Okay, Pranav is already ready with the answer. He has given it as B, 15.25, right? I will give you guys another hint. So what is this basically? Okay, what is this basically? A triangle, right? So how will you find out the area here? There are two triangles. So you have to subtract one triangle with the another triangle. Then only you will be getting the area bounded by these two lines. I gave you guys a trick also. So tell me the right answer now. Right, so take here f equals 0 comma 1, right? F is 0 comma 1 and the lines 3x plus 2y equals 14, right? It is bounded by which three segments? B, E and A, right? A, E, B, they are bounded by the line 3x plus 2y equals 14, है ना? A, E, B, they are bounded by the lines 3x plus 2y equals 14, and similarly E, C, D, they are bounded by the lines 2x minus 3y equals 14. E, C, D, they are bounded by the lines 2x minus 3y equals 14. Now, which is the common point? E is the common point in both the areas. E is the common point in both the areas. F is 0, 1, right? F and E, they both are in the same line. है ना? F or E, they both are in the same line. That means in दोनों का Y is similar, right? Y is similar. So E also we will get X, we do not know, Y as 1. Because F and E both are similar, we'll get the value of E also as 1, right? Solve these two equations. Solve these two equations, you will get the value of X of A, right? X of E. Then what are the other things? B is there, A is there. In A, if you take, in A, the value of Y is 0, okay? The value of Y will become 0. So if you put Y as 0 in this equation, So I'll just show you one thing. A is equal to 3x plus 2y equals 14, right? So the value of y is equal to 0, right? So you'll get 3x equals 14. So x equals 14 by 3, right? 14 by 3. तो a का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 14 divided by 3, 0, right? Similarly, for b, x will be 0. Similarly, for b, x will be 0. So it is 2y equals 14 or y is equal to 14 by 2, right? Y is equal to 14 by 2, 0, 7, right? So b, a का हो गया. E, how shall we find out? Solve these both equations continuously, putting y as 1. Putting y as 1, solve these both equations. You'll get the value of E also, right? You'll get the value of E also. Then here D, in D, the term will be negative. So it is given as 2x minus 3y equals 5. So for C, you put x equals 0. For D, you put y equals 0, but you will get a negative here. So putting x equals 0, you will get value of y equals minus 5 by 3 for D. Okay. And for x, the value will be 2x equals 5 or x equals 5 by 2. So C will be 5 by 2, 0. And D will be 0, minus 5 by 3, right? Abhi sirf A bacha hai, right? E is left, so we'll get the value of E also as 4, 1, right? Solving these both equations, putting y equals 1, you'll get the value of x equals 4, so E becomes 4, 1. Everyone understood this? Understood this clearly? How did we get all the points? Right? Any doubts in this? The BEA, these 3 points are from this line, 3x plus 2y equals 14. And DCE, these 3 are from this point, 2x minus 3y equals 5. F is 0, 1. Okay. F is 0, they have already given for one side, that is x, 1. Okay. E becomes y same, then substitute both the equations, you will get 4, 1. A is 14 by 3, 0. So I showed it here. 3x plus 2y equals 14. So put y equals 0. You'll get 3x equals 14. So x becomes 14 by 3. B is 0, 7. Z is 5 by 2, 0. And D is 0, minus 5 by 3. Understood everyone? Any doubts in this? Any doubts in the points? Next we will go for solving the area. अभी next हम जाएंगे और area को find out करेंगे. Any doubts in this? Right? So we got A is 14 by 3, 0. B is 0, 7. C is 5 by 2, 0. D is 0, minus 5 by 3. E is 4, 1. F is 0, 1. So required area is area of triangle OAB minus area of triangle CEA. Right? So required area of triangle OAB. Right? ये पूरा ट्रायंगल OAB माइनस CEA. हमें सिर्फ ये शेडेड पार्ट निकालना है, राइट? वी वांट टू जस्ट नो द शेडेड पार्ट एरिया. द शेडेड पार्ट एरिया हमें चाहिए, राइट? सो द शेडेड पार्ट एरिया चाहिए तो OAB, राइट? OAB माइनस CEA, राइट? OAB माइनस CEA. व्हाट इज द formula of triangle? Half into base into height. So it is half into OA into OB minus half into CA into CE, right? We found out everything, right? C, A, B, C, D, everything we have found out. So substitute it accordingly. So triangle of area OAB will become half into 4 into 6 and triangle of CA will become half into 4 plus 2.5 into 1, which is 12 plus 3.25, 15.25 square units, right? तो A, B, C, D सब निकाला हमने, है ना? तो it is half into base into height. So half into OA into CB plus half into CEA, CE into EA, right? The points सब निकाला है इधर. Substitute the points. For C it is 5 by 2, E it is 4. Substitute the points accordingly. You will get 15.25 as the area of the shaded part. Clear everyone? Any doubts in this question? Shall I move on to the next one? Okay, so this is our question 2, right? Question 2. A house has a number which needs to be identified. The following three statements are given that can help in identifying the house number. First statement is, if the house number is a multiple of 3, then it is a number from 50 to 59, right? Second one, if the house number is not a multiple of 4, then it is a number from 60 to 69. Third one, if the house number is not a multiple of 6, then it is a number from 70 to 79. So what is the house number? So tell me the right option according to these options given here, right? So three statements are given. If the house number is a multiple of 3, then it is a number from 50 to 59. If it is not a multiple of 4, then it is from 60 to 69. If it is not a multiple of 6, then it is from 70 to 79. So tell me the right answer here. And guys, please do reply in the comments. Okay? Varna, I will not know whether you guys are understanding the problem or not. Right? So please do reply in the comments. Okay, Pranav is giving it as A54. Pranav, recheck your answer. Right? We'll go on with the answer. It is option D. It should be 76. So what they have told here, the house number, if it is a multiple of 3, then it should be from 50 to 59, right? 50 to 59. So options mein dekho, 54 is there. Okay, 54 is there. Is 54 a multiple of 3? Is 54 a multiple of 3? Tell me, is 54 a multiple of 3? Yes, it is a multiple of 3, obviously. 3 into 18, 3 18s are 54 hai, right? But it is a multiple of 6 also. 54 is a multiple of 6 also. 6 8s are 48. You should get not a multiple, right? You should get not a multiple. इसलिए ये wrong हो गया. Okay? So Pranav, I know why you got confused there. Okay? 54 is absolutely a multiple of 3, but it is also a multiple of 6. The house number should not be a multiple of 6. What is the statement given here? It should not be a multiple of 6 also. It is both a multiple of 3 and 6, so it is wrong. Coming to 65, this is an odd number. So obviously इन तीनों में से किसी का भी नहीं होगा वो, right? 66 if you go, right? 66, is it a multiple of 4? No, it is not a multiple of 4, so wrong again. 76 if you take 76, it is not a multiple of 3, so we don't care about the first statement, right? It is not a multiple of 3. It is a multiple of 4, so the second statement is also valid. It is not a multiple of 6, so third statement is invalid. So according to the house number, only one statement should follow accordingly, right? 70 to 76 तो इस numbers में है. It is not a multiple of 6, wrong. It is not a multiple of 3, wrong. It is a multiple of 4. So this one follows only one statement, whereas the option A follows two statements, right? फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट दोनों को फॉलो करता है ये, फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड स्टेटमेंट को. पर हमारा 76 वाला ऑप्शन इट्स फॉलोस ओनली स्टेटमेंट 2, right? This one follows statement both 1 and 3. This one follows only statement 2. We need a house number which follows only one statement, right? Only one statement. Okay, Pranav, you gave it as option A 54. Why it is wrong? Because it is following two statements. How can one number follow two statements? It should follow only one statement. So option D 76 is the right answer. Cool, everyone? Understood this one clearly? Shall I move on to the next question? question number 3, right? A wire would enclose an area of 1936 meter square if it is bent to a square. The wire is cut into two pieces. The longer piece is thrice as long as the shorter piece. The long and the short pieces are bent into a square and a circle respectively. Which of the following choices is closest to the sum of the areas enclosed by the two pieces in the square meters? Okay, so there is a wire and I am bending it into a square. The wire is cut into two pieces. One piece I am taking it to a square. The other piece I am making it a circle. So what is the sum of the areas? The sum of the areas of square plus sum of the areas of circle. Okay. So tell me, according to this, which one is the right answer? And what they have given, the longer piece is thrice as long as the shorter piece, right? So basically I am cutting it into two pieces. A wire is there, I am cutting it into two pieces. So this part is thrice long and this part is single long, right? 3A and A. Tell me the answer now. Okay, Pranav is giving the answer as C, 1, 2, 4, 3, right? So let's find out the answer. Yes, it is 1, 2, 4, 3. Pranav, you are right. So option C, right? So what they have given, it is given in meter square, right? 1936 meter square is equal to A square. So A will be square root of 1936, which is 44, right? It is square root of 1936, which is 44. So total length of the wire, okay, total length of the wire मतलब क्या होता है? It is a perimeter, right? Square, what is the total length of a square? Perimeter. So the number of sides into the side value, right? So 4 into A, which is 4 into 44. क्या बोला है? It is the longer one. It is cut into two parts. The longer one is a square, the shorter one is a circle, right? So the longer one मतलब 3 into 44, it is a square, right? And 1 into 44 is a circle. 3 into 44 is a square and 1 into 44 is a circle. Everyone getting this? Perimeter is 4A. So 4 into 44 meter is split into two parts. 3 into 44, which is 132 meter, which is a square, and 1 into 44, which is 44 meter, which is a circle, right? 132 है, 132 divided by 4, right? So it is basically 4A equals S. So S is equal to A by 4. Side is equal to A by 4 because 4 sides are there in a square, and it is total area by 4. 132 by 4, which is 33 meter. This is a side of a square. Now coming to the circle, okay, circle, we know the circumference is given by 2 pi r, okay, circumference is given by 2 pi r. We know this is 44 is equal to 2 pi r. So r is equal to 44 by 2 pi, right? Right? C is equal to 2 pi r. We know this hole is 44 meter, right? 44 meter is equal to 2 pi r. So r is equal to 44 by 2 pi, which is 7, right? Which is 7 meter. तो क्या मिला हमें आंसर? It is 33 meter and 7 meter. Now let us do the sum of their areas. That is area of square plus area of circle, right? Area of square plus area of circle. So what is area of square? It is A into A, right? A square. And area of circle क्या है? What is the circle area? It is pi r square, right? The area of square is given by A into A square, and the area of circle is pi r square, right? So what is r? R is 7 meter, A is 33. So A square plus pi r square, right? A square plus pi r square करना है. 33 square plus pi into r कितना है? 7 square. 33 square plus pi into 7 square, which is 1089 plus 54 1243 12349 1243. That is the answer for this question. I know the slide is looking like a mess. I have written everywhere, but everyone understood the answer, right? Should I explain it once more? Okay, let us move on to the next one. Question number 4. The difference between the present ages of Mahesh and Satish is 14 years. Okay, 7 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 5:7 respectively. The present age of Satish is dash. The difference between the present ages of Mahesh and Satish is 14 years. 7 years ago, that is 7 years before, right, in the past, the ratio of their ages was 5:7. What is the present age of Satish? Give me the right answer.
Kiran Balam.
Okay. Thank you, Kiran. So how shall you solve this? The difference between present ages of Mahesh and Satish is 14 years, right? So basically it is x plus 14 is one's age and x is another one's age, right? So I've given you a small trick here, right? Present ages of Mahesh and Satish is 14 years. That is Mahesh is x and Satish is x plus 14, right? महेश और सतीश का एज का डिफरेंस है x प्लस 14. अगर महेश का एज 14 है तो इसका x प्लस 14 इसका 28 होगा. Now 7 years ago their ratio was 5:7. So x minus 7 and x plus 14 minus 7, right? 7 years ago का मतलब क्या है? It is -7 है ना, past tense में जाना है. -7 is equal to 5/7. So now do it and give me the answer. Okay, chalo, we'll go with the answer now. It is option D. Okay, let the present ages of Mahesh and Satish be x and x plus 14 years respectively. X and x plus 14 years respectively. 7 years ago, मतलब 7 years ago का मतलब क्या होगा? X minus 7 divided by x plus 14 minus 7 is equal to 5/7, right? X minus 7 is equal to x plus 14 minus 7 is 5/7, right? So x का वैल्यू किसका है? ये महेश का है और ये सतीश का है. Pranav, you have given the answer of Mahesh. Yeah, now you have given the right answer, Satish. Okay. So now 7 years ago मतलब minus x minus 7 x plus 14 minus 7 is equal to 5/7. Cross multiply करो. So basically this is 7x minus 49 is equal to, ये क्या होगा? x plus 14 minus 7 x plus 7 हो जाएगा, right? So this becomes 5x plus 35, right? 7x minus 49 cross multiply. This is plus 14 minus 7 plus 7. So it is 5x plus 35. तो 5x को इस साइड डालो. 7x minus 5x is 2x. 35 plus 49 is 84, right? 7x minus 5x is 2x. 35 plus 49 is 84. So x equals 84 by 2, 41. Sorry, 42. X is equal to 84 by 2, 42. What is x? X is the age of Mahesh, right? X is the age of Mahesh. हमें किसका find out करना है? We have to find out the age of Satish, right? तो Satish age is x plus 14. So x is 42. So Satish is x plus 14. So 42 plus 14, which is 56 years. Option D. Clear everyone? Understood this? Shall we move on to the next question? Right. Chalo. Question fifth one, a easy one. Okay. So please, most of you answer this question, right? 13, 25, 61, 125, 205. So what is the next number coming in the series, right? 13, 25, 61, 121, 205. What is the next number in the series? Tell me. Okay, Pranav has given the answer as 313. Is there anyone else who will give the answer? Right. We will move forward with the answer now. It is option D. Yes, Pranav is right. It is 313. So कैसा है pattern? So let's go back to the pattern. 13, 25, 61, 121, 205, right? 13, 25, 61, 105. Sorry, 121, 205. So the next number क्या है? वो हमें find out करना है, right? So it is 13 plus 1 into 12, which is 25. 25 plus 3 into 12, which is 61. 61 plus 5 into 12, which is 121. Okay, 121 plus 7 into 12, which is 205. So abhi see the pattern here. Everything is getting multiplied by 12, but the numbers are with respect to odd numbers, right? 1 3 5 7 odd numbers में चल रहा है ये, है ना? 1 3 5 7. Which is the next odd number after 7? It is 9, right? Because 8 is an even number, 9 is an odd number. So what will be our answer? 205 plus 9 into 12, right? So it is 205 plus 108. It is 313. Option D. Right? So 13579. 9 is the next odd number. 9 into 12, 108 plus 205. 313 is the correct answer. Clear with this, everyone? Any doubts in this question? Shall I move on to the next one? Chalo. Question number 6. Okay. In a class of 60, where girls are twice that of boys, Shubham ranked 17th from the top. If there are 9 girls ahead of Shubham, how many boys are after him in the rank? There is a class of 60 where girls are twice that of boys. So Shubham ranked 17th from the top. If there are 9 girls ahead of him, that is front of him, how many boys are below him in rank, that is behind him in the rank? So I will give you guys an equation, solve it off. Girls are twice that of boys, right? So it is 2b plus b is equal to 60, right? 2b plus b is equal to 60. So tell me the answer now. right? तो अभी बताया मैंने इधर, so 2b plus b equals 60, so it becomes 3b equals 60, so b equals 20, right? B is equal to 20, so girls is equal to 2b, that is 2 into 20, 40 girls होंगे, और boys कितने होंगे? Boys is just b, which is 20, right? 40 and 20. So what is Shubham's rank? Shubham's rank is 70 and 9 girls are ahead of him, right? 9 girls are ahead of him, right? And there are only 40 girls, right? So 40 minus 9, right? 40 minus 9, 31, right? So if 9 girls are ahead of him, 17 minus 9 karo, right? What is 17 minus 9? 8, right? 17 minus 9 is 8. So 8 boys are there in this rank. So below him it is 8 minus 20, 12. Okay, option C, 12 is the right answer. Okay, so you can do by anything. Boys is 20, so 17 minus 9 karo, which is 8. That is 8 boys are there in this rank. So total number of boys are 20, right? 20 minus 8, 12. 12 is the right answer. 3b equals 60, b equals 20. Boys का ratio इधर मिल जाएगा. 17 minus 9, 8 boys. 20 minus 8 is 12 boys. Okay, done. That is our answer. 70 minus 8 is 12 boys. Everyone understood? Shall we move on to the next question? Okay. Question number 7. Right? Question number 7. M and N, they start from the same location. M and N, they start from the same location. M travels 10 kilometers east and then 10 kilometers northeast. N travels 5 kilometers south and then 4 kilometers southeast. What is the shortest distance in kilometer between M and N at the end of the travel? Right? So they both start from the same location. He travels east and then northeast. He travels south, then southeast. So what is the shortest distance between M and N? Here are your 4 options. Give me the right one. Okay, Pranav is telling it's option C, 20.61. Let's find out the solution now. Yes, it is option C, right? So this is how they travel. So what are the directions? What are our directions? North, south, right? North, south, west and east. These are our directions, है ना? So this is how M and N travel, right? So we have to find out this distance, right? ये distance हमें find out करना है, right? We have to find out NB, right? So you can see here we are having one triangle, right? हमारे पास एक triangle है DEN where the angle is 45 degree, right? We have a triangle DEN where the angle is 45 degree. So let me take cos 45 is equal to DE by 4. Okay, sin 45 will be EN by 4 क्योंकि DN का वैल्यू पता है हमें. Okay, cos 45 is DE by 4 है ना, adjacent opposite by hypotenuse. Then sin 45 is adjacent by hypotenuse, right? En by 4, DE by 4, right? So here DE will become, what is cos 45? Cos 45 and sin 45 both are same. So DE will be equal to En, which is 2.828, right? So I got DE's value 2.828, right? I got En's value, which is also 2.828. अभी मुझे क्या चाहिए? सी दिस ट्रायंगल, राइट? सी दिस ट्रायंगल हियर, CBN, राइट? आई वॉन्ट द ट्रायंगल CBN, ओके? क्योंकि मुझे BN का वैल्यू चाहिए, राइट? NB plus BN will give me the whole MN का वैल्यू, right? So I'm taking the triangle CBN. I want CB, so how can I write CB as? It is AB minus AC, right? AB minus AC will give me CB, है ना? AB minus AC will give me CB. Similarly, CEN, EN is 2.828. I want CN totally, so CN will be CE plus EN, right? You guys are getting this? I want CN totally here क्योंकि ये पूरा एंगल है CB, BN, CN, तो CB चाहिए तो AB minus AC, right? And CN चाहिए तो CE plus EN. So that is what I have done here, NE plus CE, okay? CE is given as 5 kilometer, right? They have given CE as 5 kilometer, so it is 2.828 plus 5, 7.828, okay? CN will be, and CB is AB minus AC. AB is 10 kilometer, right? And AC is 2.828. DE and AC, they both are similar. DE, AC both are similar. So it is 10 minus 2.828, 7.171, right? 7.171. तो अभी मुझे BN easily मिल जाएगा because MBN, BN चाहिए मुझे. So it is CN square plus CB square. CN square plus CB square equals BN square, right? The Pythagoras theorem, area of hypotenuses, Pythagoras theorem, CN square plus CB square equals BN square, right? CN square पता है. What is CN? What is CN? It is 10 minus 2.128, 7.171 plus CB is 7.828. इन दोनों का स्क्वायर, right? Which is equal to BN square. Then उसका square root कर दो, you will get BN's value. So the value of BN will be 10.61, right? The value of BN is 10.61. So MN is equal to 10 plus 10.61. 10 plus 10.61, which is 20.61. So that is the answer, option C. Clear? Shall we move on to the next question now? Chalo, we'll move to the next question. Question 8. Fact 1. Humans are mammals. Fact 2. Some humans are engineers. Fact 3. Engineers build houses. If the above statements are facts, which of the following can be logically inferred? Okay. First one, all mammals build houses. Second one, engineers are mammals. Third one, some humans are not engineers. Here are your 4 options. Tell me the right one. See guys, it is easy. Okay. Okay, Saurav has given B as the answer, which is 3 only, right? Humans are mammals, ये हमें पता नहीं है, right? And engineers build houses, ये भी हमें पता नहीं है. But some humans are engineers. We can draw a Venn diagram, right? We can draw a Venn diagram. Humans, engineers, right? So if some humans are engineers, that also means some humans are not engineers, right? If some humans are engineers, some humans are not engineers. इन दोनों का हम Venn diagram नहीं बना सकते. This one can be done in form of a Venn diagram. Humans are engineers, some of them. So some of them are not, right? Some of them are engineers, some of them are not. So it is option B, 3 only. Some humans are not engineers. All mammals build houses is also wrong. Engineers are mammals is also wrong. What did they tell you? Logically infer it, right? Infer it logically. Logically inferment किसको मिलेगा? जिसका Venn diagram है. तो उसका आंसर है 3. So it is option B, 3 only. Yes, yes, Kiran. Okay, go by the Venn diagram. Option B, 3 only, right? So you can see it is option B. Now chalo, next question. Question 9. A square pyramid has a base perimeter x and the slant height is half of the perimeter. What is the lateral surface area of the pyramid? A square pyramid has a base perimeter x. The slant height is half the perimeter. So slant height will be x by 2. So what is the lateral surface area of the pyramid? See guys, it is simple. Slant height is half the perimeter. So it is x by 2, right? X by 2 into x by 2, which is nothing, sorry, x by 2 into x by 2. X square by 4, which is 1 by 4 x square. Option D. है ना? So slant height का 2 बार कर दो, lateral surface area हो जाएगा, right? X by 2 into x by 2, which is x square by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 x square. Or else you can also term it in another manner, right? So what is square pyramid? Square pyramid क्या है, right? This is what is square pyramid, right? Square pyramid is nothing but a triangle, right? It is nothing but a triangle. So half into base into height. Base क्या दिया है? X. Height क्या दिया है? X by 2. So half into x by 2. Right? So which is nothing but x square by 4, which is 1 by 4 x square. 0.25 x square. Option D. Right? Understood everyone? So it is 0.25 x square. Half into base into height. Triangle का formula भी use करो या x by 2 into x by 2. Height into height. You'll get the lateral surface area. Understood everyone? Clear with this? Chalo. So this is how a square pyramid is, right? The height is given as x by 2, right? This is given, so this will be x by 4, x by 4. So x square by 4 होगा ये. या तो आप x into x by 2 into 1 by 2, half into base into height, x square by 4, 0.25 x square, right? So let us move on to the next question. Okay, 4 people are dancing in a line facing you. They are Rahul, Matthew, Seema and Lohit. One is an engineer, one is a doctor, one is a teacher and other a dancer. You are told that Matthew is not standing next to Seema. There are 2 people standing between Lohit and the engineer. Rahul is not a doctor. The teacher and the dancer are standing next to each other. Seema is turning to her right to speak to the doctor standing next to her. Here are your 4 options. Give me the right one. Okay, you are not able to see it. See it in full screen, right? The question is very big. Okay, it is a big question. So it's a big question. Your PYQ है ना? So I couldn't do anything, right? I will anyways tell. There are 4 people. Okay, they are standing in a line facing you. Okay, they are standing in a line facing you. They are Rahul, okay, Matthew, Seema and Lohit, right? Rahul, Matthew, Seema and Lohit. ठीक है? So इनमें से one is an engineer, one is a doctor, one is a teacher and another is a dancer. So you're told that Matthew is not standing next to Seema. तो इधर ही आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा, right? Seema is there. Seema के next में Matthew नहीं है, right? Seema के next में Matthew नहीं है. Seema is turning to her right and speaking to the doctor standing next to her. So Seema has a doctor next to her, right? Seema has a doctor next to her. Rahul is not a doctor. The teacher and doctor and dancer are standing next to each other, right? So if one is a doctor, these both are standing next to each other. So this will be teacher, this will be dancer. So who is an engineer now? Doctor, teacher, dancer हो गया. Engineer कौन है? Matthew, right? Matthew is an engineer. That's it. Okay. So it is Rahul, Seema, Lohit and Matthew. RSLM. ठीक है? So he is a doctor, she is a teacher, he is a dancer and he is an engineer, right? So that is how the question is. See only the first one, the third one and the fourth one, right? Matthew is standing not next to Seema. है ही 4 लोग, right? RSLM 4 लोग हैं. So if Matthew is standing not next to Seema, so next to Seema 2 लोग होंगे, right? And teacher and dancer are standing next to each other, right? So teacher, dancer, they are standing next to each other. And if Seema is here, उसका right में राहुल है, right? उसका right में रोहित है, उसका right में रोहित है, and रोहित is a doctor, right? रोहित is a doctor, so DTD हो गया, बचा मैथ्यू, तो वही इंजीनियर बनेगा, right? So Matthew is an engineer. Thank you, Saurav, right? So answer, see, it is Lohit, Seema, Rahul, Matthew, or else you can also name it as Rahul, Seema, Lohit, Matthew, right? So they can be either teacher or dancer or teacher. So Matthew is an engineer, right? तो आपको सिर्फ पूरा स्टेटमेंट पढ़ना है और इसमें से सिर्फ 2 या 3 स्टेटमेंट को कंसिडर करना है. You don't have to consider all the statements. Just consider 2 or 3 statements. You guys will get the right answer. Consider 2 or 3 statements. जैसे हमने कंसिडर किया था इधर. We only consider 1, 3 and 4 statements. उससे ही हमें मिल गया लॉजिकल अप्रोच से, right? Let us solve the next question. A and B stand at distinct points of a circular racetrack of length 135 meters. They cycle at the speeds of A meter per second and B meter per second respectively. They meet for the first time 5 seconds after they start the race and for the second time 14 seconds from the time they start the race. So for the first time it is 5 seconds. For the second time from the start of the race 14 seconds. So second time when will they meet? It will be 9 seconds after this meeting, right? From the start of the race 14 minutes 14 seconds matlab 5 minus 14. So first meeting will be on 5 seconds. Second meeting will be 9 seconds after this meeting. 9 seconds after this meeting. Now, if B had started in the opposite direction to the one he had originally started, they would have met for the first time after 60 seconds. If B is quicker than A, find B. That is the speed of B. What is the speed of B? You guys have to find out. Here are your 4 options. Tell me the right one. See guys, follow the rule. Distance equals speed into time. तो कभी स्पीड दिया है, कभी टाइम दिया है, कभी डिस्टेंस दिया है. So find it out accurately. Right? See, okay, we will solve the question now. Option A is the answer. So first meeting कब हो रहा है? It is happening at 5 seconds. The next meeting, second meeting is 9 seconds, right? First meeting, I don't know the distance. I will take it as d equals x. Second one, d equals 135 meter, right? So circular track का length कितना है? 135, right? So d equals 135 meter. So we know d equals s into t, right? It is आपका 6 आ रहा है. Okay, fine. We will see it. D equals S into T, right? D equals S into T. So first one, they will cover phi A and phi B, right? So the first equation will become 5, that is time, into speed. What is the speed of A? Speed of A is small a, speed of B is small b. Speed of A is small b, speed of B is small b. So it is 5 into A is equal to 5 into B plus x, which is the distance. 5 into B plus x. So I can also write it as 5 into B minus A is equal to x. My equation 1. 5 into B minus A is equal to x. Next, second statement क्या है? X की जगह I am substituting 135 and the speed becomes, what does the time become? Time is 9 seconds, right? 5 minus 14. दिया था 14 from the start of the race. So 5 minus 14, 9. So change it again. So this will be 5 into B is equal to, sorry, 5 nahi, 9 into B is equal to 9 into A plus 135, right? 9 into A plus 135, है ना? 9 into A plus 135. So here also you can write it 9B minus 9A equals 135. 9 into B into 9 into A equals plus 135. Similarly, what we did here, 5 into A is equal to 5 into B plus x, which is my distance. Here also 9 into B equals 9 into A plus 135. Second equation. तो दोनों equations हो गया हमारा. 5 into B minus A equals x. Here divide by 3, which will be 3 into B minus A equals 45, right? 3 into B minus A equals 45. 135 divided by 3, 45. So substitute both the equations. You will get B equals 8 meter per second. Got it? Right? So it is simple. They have given the times. तो 9 seconds निकालना है. पहले वाले में D को x निकालना है, right? We have to take the distance as x in the first one. The second one we have to take the distance as 135. Then formulate both of them. See 9b minus 9a. So divide by 3 totally. So it will be 3b minus 3a equals 45. So I am taking 3 into b minus a. दोनों similar equations है. तो b का आंसर मिल जाएगा 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड.
Yes, ये 8 it is. Silly calculation.
It's fine, Kiran, right? Understood, everyone? Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, question number 12, a small grammar question. Consider the following sentences. All benches are beds, no bed is bulb, some bulbs are lamps. Which of the following can be inferred? Right? All benches are beds, no bed is bulb, some bulbs are lamps. Which of the following can be inferred? Here are your four options. Tell me the right one. Right? Let us draw the Venn diagrams. All benches are beds, right? So benches, they are beds, right? All benches are beds. No bed is bulb. No bed is bulb, and some bulbs are lamps, right? I'll write it again if you guys want. Okay, no bed is bulb, मतलब bulb और bed के बीच में कुछ भी difference नहीं है, right? कुछ भी relation नहीं है, and some bulbs are lamps. So if you see it, some beds are lamps, right? Lamps or beds, दोनों they are different, they are not at all together. So this is wrong. Okay, some lamps are beds are again different, they both are not with each other, उन दोनों के बीच का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, तो ये भी रॉन्ग है. सो इट इज नाइदर वन नॉर टू. डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. सो ड्रॉ द वेन डायग्राम. वेन डायग्राम में देखो बेड और लैम्प के बीच कोई रिलेशन है, कोई रिलेशन है बेड और लैम्प के बीच? कुछ भी नहीं है. सो इट इज नाइदर वन नॉर नॉट, राइट? सो दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द सेशन. ओके, we will see the next questions on 31st Jan. ठीक है, one day before your GATE exam. Okay, there will be the last session, 31st Jan. Okay, the old concert hall was demolished because of fears that the foundation would be affected by the construction of the new metro line in the area. Modern technology for underground metro construction tried to mitigate the impact of pressurized air pockets created by the excavation of large amounts of soil. But even with these safeguards, it was feared the soil below the concert hall would not be stable. From this, one can infer that. So tell me the right option. A, B, C, D. Okay, the old concert hall. So I will give you guys a trick also. Just see this statement. What I put the brackets here, उससे आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. See the word foundation, right? And give me the right answer. Okay, the word foundation is there in two options, A and B. तो C D गलत हो जाएगा. तो इधर क्या बता रहा है? The foundation would affect the construction of new metro line, right? The foundation would affect the construction of new metro line. So its metro construction has to be done carefully, considering its impact on the foundations, right? Option B is correct, right? The foundation of old buildings create pressurized air pockets. Pressurized air pockets are created by excavation of large amounts of soil, right? Pressurized air pockets are created by excavation of large amounts of soil, है ना? तो B में क्या है? Metro construction has to be done carefully, right? If it is not done carefully, it would affect the construction, right? It would affect the foundation. It would affect the construction or affect the foundation. B, A wala is wrong. B is the right one. Okay. Metro construction has to be done carefully, right? The foundation would affect fears. So it has to be done carefully, right? Pressurized air pockets, they created by old buildings likha hai, option A mein. But actually, pressurized air pockets are created by excavation of large amounts of soil, right? What is given here? It is created by excavation of large amounts of soil and not by old buildings. So A is the wrong statement, B is the correct statement. Option B. The passage states that pressurized air pockets are created underground due to excavation of large amount of soil. So options A and D are incorrect. That is the reason option B is the correct one. Understood, Kiran? Right. Okay. So before that, I am bringing up three courses on Unacademy Plus for CIL paper 1. Okay. Which is General English, Numerical Ability, and Reasoning and General Knowledge. So those people who want to buy the GATE subscription or the CIL subscription for 1 month, that is CIL 2020, which is on 27th of February, can use my referral code Shreyas or SAYT and get a 10% off in the Plus subscription. Those people who are going for the GATE 2021 or CIL 2021 plans can apply for these various plans and get 10% off through my referral code and 10% off through my Unacademy credits, through your Unacademy credits also. So totally for this you guys will get around 20% off, and for this you guys will get around 10% off. That is a 1 month subscription, right? So if you guys have any doubts, you can mail me on this email ID Shreyas_Aravind at yahoo.in, right? So this is small s, right? Any doubts on Plus subscription, on General Aptitude, on CIL, on Quants, you guys can mail me here. I will give you the Telegram link of my group where you can join by mailing me here. Okay. If there are, okay, you are 2021. Okay, Kiran. So you can contact me in this mail ID so that I can give you my Telegram link. Okay. So thank you guys for listening throughout the session. Okay. The next class will be on 31st January. Okay. It will be from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. and that will be our last class on General Aptitude for GATE 2020. Right. And it will be named as PYQ's Part 3. Okay. See you in the next special class. If there are any doubts, please do ask me, or else I will end the session. I hope so there are no doubts, guys. So it was a fun interactive session with all of you. See you soon in the next session. Have a good day.